Why does Sissy have a bloody nose?
The Grinch, because he doesn't like Christmas. And he wants to hurt people on Christmas Day and Eve. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Yeah.
La da da da, oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so.
You can play together.
Well, what's the other? Oh, he has the other one too, just not that version.
Another.
What is that?
Look, this is big slime.
Oh, that is.
And
This is from me. This is from Wiley.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I forgot we would really wanted. Now we have it. This one's the YouTube girl.
The vlogger.
This is not Tom. What?
Cool, Xander. Let me fin. Turn the fence around so I can see both of them.
Hers is cowgirl.
Cool.
This is a YouTube girl.
A vlogger.
Oh, perfect for you.
All right, move them out the way.
Thank you, Mommy. Crazy on stage.
What is
What
it?
is it?
Mine's crazy.
What is it, Finley? Yeah.
Mine's from
What is
Crazy
it?
Art.
Well, what is it?
Thing that I keep going.
So much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yes,
The best Christmas ever.
spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this.
This is from Yaya.
Yay.
And Pat.
Oh, and but they automatically know that.
Yay.
Toby can't know what you're getting because you guys keep opening it the wrong way. What is it? Okay, Xander, you don't have to do that long.
Thank you, Yaya and Pat.
You're welcome.
This year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
LOL boy. LOL. Guys. This.
I got this.
I got it.
I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Do raps like that.
La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been
Okay.
Yeah, my pants are falling off. Showing my diaper.
wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all.
It's my spaghetti.
Oh my.
I really wanted this. Please. What? Whoa.
face with it.
Rise Art Studio.
So much things to do in this.
Yep, now I don't want to hear it. I'm bored because you have lots of things to do.
Finley, don't forget the
Uh-huh.
because we have no phone.
Phones are going to be limited. You're not going to be sitting on them all day.
No, we won't.
Yeah, you don't take after your mother.
What did you get, Finley? Show that to the camera.
Mom,
What is
the
that?
LOL comes
Unicorn
with it.
magic ring toss.
Mommy, look, the LOL comes with it. Now I got a new LOL. I already have this guy. This one.
Oh, dammies, what are they?
Toy Story 4.
Cool.
And Mommy. Now the ones are yaya.
Well, this still wasn't nothing in it, right?
It had something.
Oh, I thought it was just a decoration.
Thank you, Baba.
You had probably something in mind there.
No, I didn't get finished. Yes, sir.
You got a grandma one in there.
Thank you, guys. Now maybe we can make some pancakes.
Yep. So what's your style?
With lots of hair.
This is for the grown-up.
It's for the garbage?
Grown-up.
The grown-up?
Hello?
The melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is
Money! Who's this from?
What does this say, Mommy?
it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
Play your classic.
I know how to.
What is it?
Yeah, she might need a box. Logan. I don't know, it just says Logan.
Yay, batteries.
Anthony, come here.
When we
La, 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 oh, 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 oh.
Oh, snap. Sorry, you're... Ooh. Pimple Pete. What'd you get?
Snow White.
Ooh. What you doing?
Slime.
What kind of slime?
Do you see one?
Ugh, it looks extra sticky. What are you doing?
Coloring squishy.
What kind of squishy is it?
Mine cake thing. It's a cake. Stop it. Mine the cowgirl.
You guys having fun?
Yeah. See?
I see.
Look at this candy. See? This is blood. Daddy,
Yeah.
this is our phone packaging. I can't put slime where it is.
Awesome.
And now I have the pleasure of trying to figure out where all of this stuff can go.
Yeah, it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.